Meditation is an approach to train the mind, similar to the way that fitness is an approach to training the body. But there are many techniques that exist for meditation. So, how do you learn to meditate? There are many ways, and we have very helpful tips and easiest to get started. Meditation is a form of relaxation that is practiced by many people today. It can be used to focus and calm the mind, body, and the soul. And it's a great way to improve your overall well being. There are many different types of meditation, so let's start it. So, it's so important to find one that is comfortable for you. Some simple tips for beginner include find a comfortable place to sit or recline in. Make sure your body is relaxed and comfortable. Begin by focusing on your breath and counting each inhale and exhale. Stay with the breath for a few minutes and then gradually allow your breath away. So let's see the benefits of the meditation. Number 1, it lowers the blood pressure. Number 2, improved blood circulation. Number 3, lower heart rate, less perspiration, slower respiratory rate, less anxiety, lower blood cortisol level, more feeling of well-being, less stress, and deeper relaxation. In Buddhist philosophy, the ultimate benefit of meditation is liberation of the mind from attachment to things it cannot control, such as eternal circumstances or strong internal emotions. The liberated or enlightened practitioners no longer needly follows desires or cling to experiences, but instead maintain a calm mind and a sense of inner harmony. So that's all. It was a quick and easiest tip. So maintain this meditation practice for 2 to 3 minutes to start and then try it for a longer time. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.